Swinerton wasn't always defining the skylines across the U.S. We actually started from very humble beginnings with a Swedish immigrant, Charles Lindgren, in 1888. We've grown from one person in Los Angeles to over close to 5,000 employees, construction experts across the nation in 20 different offices from West Coast to East Coast. Well, we're very proud of our 135-year history. Over time, we've really built some of the most historic and resilient buildings that have served to withstand the test of time.
We've been able to weather economic downturns, world wars, natural disasters and events. So it's been pretty interesting to see that growth and the needs that come with that as well.
Well, whether it's a ground-up high-rise residential project or a small tenant improvement project, we really focus on staying true to our core values, our leadership, excellence, passion, and ownership.
We have the resources of a large national general contractor, but the feel of a small contractor from your local town.
As we continue to diversify our geographies as well as the markets we serve, we have hundreds of projects at any given stage of their life cycle, and we're constantly trying to adapt and manage those projects.
As a large contractor with that growth comes some challenges, and having multiple offices and multiple clients and projects across the country becomes a lot to manage.
Well, it's regardless of how fast or how much we grow, we always want to make sure we're managing those details for our clients as they expect us to. And the prior software system we were using just wasn't keeping up with us. We really needed a tool that was purpose-built for our industry and our company.
We realized we needed something that provided insight from client identification all the way through project closeout. And having all these disparate systems wasn't getting it done. So we needed something that unified all that together to provide that singular view of what was going on. One of our company's core tenets is to be a valued and trusted partner to our clients. And that's one of the differentiating factors of Unanet. They approach the tool as a partnership rather than a vendor-client relationship. Having the transparency of the system and the flexibility to look at the data in many different ways has provided a lot of insights for our executives to make decisions on. Previously, we were unable to have our business plans based on actual information. With that opportunity pipeline clearly laid out, we were able to link those two together and have it be based on reality. Having it be accessible through Outlook, through your phone, through an iPad, the multiple points of entry with the system makes it a lot easier to engage more users that can contribute to that information. We just recently had a business plan meeting with divisions where we were able to dive into their pipeline and understand what's driving their business plans at a glance with very little effort. Rather than have all these disparate systems, we were able to connect to our financial system, to our HR system, and pull in where the source of truth lies so that we can consume and analyze that information in one place.
Today we're able to make decisions on very reliable data and accurate information, and it's really helped us transform our business.
It really has been a fundamental change in the way that we win business.
We decided to commit to Unanet, and the company's better off for it. We're in a much stronger position today than we were. It's been a game changer.